Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have this big canvas. It's 120 centimeters long and 40 centimeters wide, and I will do a piece for my stepdaughter Marina. She picked the colors, and she told me what she want to have. So she want to have 5 ring pours on the ivory background. I did the similar kind of chakra pour last year, or I don't know, earlier this year, and she liked it, but she want to have it in these colors. So I layered 4 cups already, and this is the last one, and this is the order that she wants to have. So I will start with this one. Here I have some yellows and flash tint and some pearl, and I will do kind of like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start. Oops, my paint is wobbling. Obviously it will not be quite a ring pours. One down. Maybe I will do this middle one next, because my hand is not so steady that I want it to be, but there are some pinks and gold. This is the gold, but where are my Bordeaux gone? Catch the drips. And now I will do this one. Maybe my paints are a little on the thick side. You see? Those are definitely on the thick side. have some bronze here with olives. She picked these color combinations, so I think that they will be beautiful together too. And then I will tilt this. So. And some turquoises, and I think pewter is in here too. So. Oops. And I will just wipe my hands a little bit. Oh. And now I will torch. No, tilt is not torch. I will just go this side first a little bit, just to stretch it out. Okay. This will be a challenge, so maybe my hands will be on the way for a little bit, but I can't go all around my table because it's too wide. So enough. And back to the middle a little bit. There go a little wobbly. This middle one here. this middle one here is the one that didn't don't play with me like I want to, so but it's hard to do this canvas this size and that everything goes the right way, so as I often say, you can get it all. I'll just go over the edge here, and I want to go over the edge with this yellow one too, so I'll try to force my paint to go a little more to that side. And then please go over the edge. Here we go. A little more. Just weird why this middle one is so wobbly. I don't like this part here, so probably I should have a little more of my ivory background to put it in some place to help it flow a little bit, because I think that this is a problem. It's been so long since I do canvas this size, and I just didn't know anymore how much paint I need. I thought that I had enough, but I didn't have it enough, obviously. But if I will stretch this, the middle part will go even more wobbly, or I think that I will stop there, because otherwise I will have a problem. And now back to the middle a little bit. Probably my paints were too thick for this. See, it's all gone wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. And I don't like this at all. Try to go a little more over the edge with these greens too, and just a little back to the middle, and I will leave it alone, because I think that otherwise I will ruin it completely. And it's just too much paint to ruin it, and I don't like this yellow part here, but not completely what I was hoping for, but maybe I should do more these large canvases because I just forgot how to. I will not torch much more because I hope that these air bubbles will pop their cells, because otherwise I will have a lot of these dots that I don't like. So I don't know. I'm really not sure about this one, but Marina will tell if she like it or not. I have some strange something in here, I don't know what, but I will leave it as it is because otherwise I will ruin it. So, totally different thing from me, but I will do a lot more than flower dips in my next year, so but I think that I have to do more ink pours because I just didn't do this one okay, and I want to, but it wasn't as I was expected. So this is it for today, and subscribe, comment, like, share. This is the ways that you can help me make videos for me and for you, and see you on the next one. Bye.